On this episode of Helmian's Hot Rods, we put a V-twin in a 50-year-old garden tractor. This is my attempted fix for the seat, for me not rolling off the back of the seat. I just zip screwed it for now just to see if it works. If it works, I'm going to put some kind of fender beading or something around here so I don't sit on a razor blade. But I think that will work, do the job. I was going to weld it on, but I don't know, I kind of like the zip screw look. Well, today I'm after a throttle cable. I'm too cheap to buy one. I haven't spent any money on this project yet. So I'm going over to my and my father's shared storage area. There's a future project. And another future project. What I'm after today though is a throttle cable on that snowmobile. I think I can make work. Let's go get it. Race car. More race car. Alright, I cut this grip. This should pull right off now. There it is. Throttle cable. So what we ended up with here is this push rod goes to the throttle. The throttle is a push. I needed to turn it into a pull, so I built this lever here. This is a VW buggy throttle cable end. Needed 2 springs. This is a snowmobile throttle cable, and I even used the snowmobile flipper in place of a gas pedal, which works surprisingly well. Alright, transmission out. Sitting here. We're gonna not acknowledge that I dumped 5 quarts of oil on the ground. What I'm thinking is, as I said before, stock mile per hour on this tractor is 6, so a smaller pulley on this end. It's a steel pulley, so I'm thinking worst case scenario is I could just weld a smaller pulley to it. I just gotta keep my belt alignment aligned. Okay, this is what we came up with. This is from the original pulley. I cut out the center as close to machine quality as I could. The trouble is that's a tapered shaft, so I can't just buy another pulley and shove it on there. So I got this hub cut out, as I said, as close to machine quality as I could. And I cut out the center of this. And I think that's going to lay right in there and weld solid. And then the belt alignment will be pretty good, and we'll see if I can weld that on nice and straight. Alright, it's ugly, but it'll work, just like me. This is the big end. There it goes. And there it goes. Alright, old pulley, new pulley. Let's see what that does. No cart brake. You want to do a burnout? You want to do a burnout? Okay, when I say floor it. Okay, floor it. Alright! Okay, watch where you're going. You gotta stay steadier than that. Hold the trigger a little longer, that was good. You got the first tack in place. Okay, hold it there. Alright, slide that on there. We welded that washer on to act as a guide for the choke lever because I need to be able to pull the choke on through the hood. Remember, just snug it a little. Don't tighten it all the way and then get the other one. That way you know you don't pull this side down and open up a gap on this side. That's plenty tight. Remember, that's a piece of plastic too, so if you tighten it too much, you'll just rip the plastic right out. And while you're pushing down, wiggle it back and forth to make sure it sits down all the way. Okay. Now you hold this. I can help you hold her if you want. You hold the band right up close to the top, but leave just a little bit of rubber showing so it kind of squishes it. Just by welding that little washer in there, I can reach in and manually give it choke while I'm trying to start it. You just push this over and down and then release. It'll probably rattle a little bit, but who cares? So what? Who cares? Big whoop. Want to fight about it? You done yet?
Nope. Still
Looks like you got it pretty tight.
Still getting as tight as I can.
I think that's tight enough. Whatever you got. Got my little King's Throne done here. I welded a piece of like 5/16 bar around the edge of this to keep me from rolling off the back like an idiot. We just need a belt and then we're ready to drive. We started the racetrack leaderboard. We only got 2 on it yet, but pretty soon we'll have lots more to add to it. Get 103.
103.
Pretty good.
103. 1 second slower than my buggy. That's
Not
good.
bad.
That's pretty good.
Okay, Maddie's high-speed run.
Can I go?
Go! Alright, what do we get? Open up.
6 mph.
6. Alright, we're going to try the racetrack again because Connor thinks he can beat Thomas. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, when I say go. Go! Oh, oh no! Alright, another attempt at the racetrack. When I say go, go. Okay, floor it. Go! There you go! Much better. Okay, the kids are over there. We don't have to worry about hitting them. Alright, turn right now. Okay, left and left all the way. Getting real close to the pool. Getting real close to the pool. Oh, this is faster already, I can tell. Woohoo! Oh, we're doing good. Running real close to the wall here. Closer, closer, left, left, left. There you go. Oh, that's good. And across the line. That's a 101. That's faster.
1 second faster.
1 second faster. I'm just going to try the racetrack with Maddie's go-kart. You ready? Go. And time. 58. All right, we decided to do the racetrack and also the top speed run. So I think I'm just going to split this in half. We'll do that and we'll write down here top speed. Okay, Connor set a new record in his buggy with a 101. So I'm just going to write here 101. We know that's an improvement. And Maddie, she ran 104. Was it 104?
104.
Okay, 104. Maddie ran 104, and Connor in the go-kart was a 58. Was it?
58. Yep.
0.58. So that's an easy second place. And for top speeds, Maddie go-kart, 6 mile per hour. It went faster than that before we geared it down. Brody, Connor is winning right now with 8. So in top speed, Connor's mini buggy is winning. And in the racetrack, Thomas, believe it or not, is winning. The one we want to go fast the least. Oh, we made a mistake. Maddie wasn't 104, it was actually 103. Put it here. Okay, updated.
You're kicking up grass.
It works. I was spitting some gravel out when I was turning.
Yeah.
I should. Go ahead. We're gonna try the racetrack now. See if I can beat you kids. See if the belt stays on. You ready?
Yeah.
You tell me when to go and hit the button when we go. Start it.
Put a belt on 71, and I gotta get ready to stop the timer.
That's scary. All right, young man, that was the verdict. What did I get? 36. Wow, that's pretty fast. I was pushing a little. All right, we got new leaders all around. Dad and Rusty. 36.
36.8.
36 is close enough. And down here we got Dad and Rusty at 12 miles an hour, which doesn't sound like much, but that's double what it did before. And I'd like to put car tires on it because it's a Chrysler bolt pattern wheel. And I think that would make it more like 20 or so, but I don't know about 20 miles an hour. I can't stay on the seat at 12, let alone any more than that. So to go any more than 15 or so, I'd have to take it on the hard road and not fall off. All right. Okay, we're gonna call that successful. There's Rusty. Thomas is running good. The mini buggy's running good. Maddie's go-kart's running good. My race car runs good, but it just doesn't have a body right now or a track to run it at. So I think this was a good show, buddy. What do you think?